The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Tank.
You better see Tank, I wish you well. But you see,
And Tank,
you're not even reach up my heart, Tank. Quick. So from when you're in there? From last night? After you're there.
Come up, man.
Yeah.
When you ask me, say, come up, first, come out, come up, come on then, man. Make one more step up.
So if you could have come up here and see help.
You don't know what, yeah. One more step up. Go home with life. Come on, mister. I'm not talking to me. People don't want to hear that. Come on. Mister, come on. I'm not talking. Come on,
But the next time you see the yard, I wish you well.
think I'm asking to talk with me. Move your bum up now.
But I put a lot, I say.
No business with you. No business with you again.
No, the what? I can't come on.
Oh, you reach one, sir.
No, viewers and subscribers, me have to talk like a Jamaican right about now. You see? Suppose rain did fall. How long him did in that pit the for? How long was he in that pit for? Is what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers? When me I look at the video, the man's, it seems as if the man's still drunk. He look dizzy. That's what I'm saying to you. This video shows up a drunken man that somehow find himself in the bottom of a tank, in fall of the tank. And even though some persons might take this video for a joke, still no viewers and subscribers, that man could have lost his life, you know. That man could have drowned, you know, viewers and subscribers. You see me? That man could have fell into the tank of water and lick him head. Or you can say hit him head. You see me? Or him just pass out because him drunk and just drown. You see what I'm saying to you? You see the amount of danger when we see a while ago in this one video? Even though people find it so hilarious out there on social media. Only one thing me I gotta say. Only one thing I can say about something like this. You see? Drink responsibly. Drink with sense. Have sense when you drink. You get me? You see how many ways me say it? Yeah. Cause believe you me, you know, drinking, a normal sin. Alright? Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about something like this. Is what I'm saying to you. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see.